Assalamu alaikum, hope you all are fine. In this video we will learn about the preparation of alcohol. So firstly, the first is the preparation of alcohols by the hydration of alkenes. So we will take ethene as alkene, and in the presence of some catalyst, that is sulfuric acid, and the hydration means addition of water molecule. So when the ethene react with the sulfuric acid, that is a catalyst, and the intermediate is formed, that is ethyl hydrogen sulfate, and this ethyl hydrogen sulfate then react with water and form the final product, that is alcohol. Because we take ethene as alkene, two carbon compound, and the final product also contains two carbon compound along with the hydroxyl group, that will be named as ethanol. And the sulfuric acid will regain its original position because it acts as a catalyst, and it is as such in the product. And the other is a hydrolysis of alkyl halides. So hydrolysis means the addition of water, and alkyl halide means alkyl group along with the halide group. So we take alkyl halide ethyl bromide as alkyl halide, in which the alkyl group is ethyl and halide group is bromide, and it will react with base along with the water molecule, and we have a final product, that is alcohol. Because we take ethyl group as alkyl group, so our final product also contains two carbon, and that is ethanol, and the sodium bromide. And we will see the mechanism how it react with the base, and when the alkyl halide react with a base, so base will ionize, sodium will get a positive charge and hydroxyl will get a negative charge, and this negative charge then attack on the carbon that is directly attached with the halide group of alkyl halide. And then this there is a step in which the bond between the carbon and halide group will break, and the bond between the hydroxyl group and carbon will be form, and this is the intermediate. And when the final product form, the carbon and bromine or halide uh, bond will break, and we have our final product that forms a bond with the hydroxyl group and forms a alcohol. So the other is the reduction of aldehyde and ketones. So it is a catalytic reduction in which the ketone, when it react with react, it gives a secondary alcohol, and when the aldehyde react, it gives a primary alcohol. So the first example is the ketone that gives a secondary alcohol, because the carbon that directly attached with the hydroxyl group is further attached to two alkyl groups. And in the first example, we will take a compound and it will react with the hydrogen molecule and with the catalyst, that is nickel catalyst, and we have a final product, that is alcohol. And when the ketone react with the nickel or hydrogen molecule, it will give the secondary alcohol. And the other example is the aldehyde, and the same condition provided to it, and we have a final product, that is primary alcohol. And this is the catalytic reduction of aldehydes and ketones. Then the reduction with reducing agent. So we will take lithium aluminum hydride as a reducing agent, and when it will react with a compound, that is that lithium aluminum hydride will break into ions, and lithium has a positive charge and aluminum hydride has a negative charge. So in this compound, when the carbon and oxygen has a single bond and oxygen has a negative charge, so aluminium hydride will attach with the oxygen and forms a bond. These hydrides are active in further reductions, and then this compound is also known as will be rearranged and form aluminium alkoxide addition compound. And when it react with the water molecule or acid, that acid will gives a proton, that is a hydrogen positive ion, and then this hydrogen positive ion will react and breaks the bond between the aluminium and oxygen. And we have our final product, that is alcohol. We all these preparation forms alcohol and as a final product along with the water molecule and lithium and aluminium positive salts. So the other is the reduction of Grignard reagent with esters. So we will take a ester. Ester is the compound that contains the carbon, that has a double bond with the oxygen along with the other bond with oxygen, and this oxygen will form the bond with the alkyl group. As the result, the carbon that is in the center has a double bond with the oxygen and one bond with the alkyl group, and the other bond will form with the oxygen, and then this oxygen will have a bond with the alkyl group. So when it ester react with the Grignard reagent is the alkyl group, which is attached with the magnesium along with the halide group, and in the presence of acid, so this acid will provide the hydrogen positive or hydrogen proton charge proton to the ester and forms the alcohol. And due to the Grignard reagent and acid, the carbon oxygen double bond will break, and then oxygen will react with the hydrogen proton that is from the acid, and when it react with the oxygen, it will form a alcohol. And the R group alkyl group from the Grignard reagent will form the bond to with the carbon to complete its valency. So this is the reduction of Grignard reagent with esters. So the next is the reduction of carboxylic acid and esters. So firstly we will see the carboxylic acid. The carbon has double bond with oxygen, and then the other bond with the oxygen and hydrogen. So hydroxyl group on one side and alkyl group on the other side, and double bond with the oxygen molecule, oxygen atom. So carboxylic acid, we have to conduct the reduction of carboxylic acid. So lithium aluminium hydride in the dry ester we use as a reducing agent along with the dilute sulfuric acid as a acid that provides the proton. And we have a final product, that is primary alcohol. And the other example is the ester. Ester contains the carbon forms a bond with the alkyl group, and double bond with the oxygen and the other bond with the oxygen, and then this oxygen will form the bond with the alkyl group. So this is the ester, and uh, we will conduct the same condition, that is the reducing agent, that is lithium aluminium hydride along with the acid that is gives the proton to the ester and forms alcohol, that is primary alcohol. And this is the reduction of carboxylic acid and esters, and in the result primary alcohols formed. So this is the preparation of alcohols. Thank you so much. Take care. Allah Hafiz.